Hello students, welcome to Maths Online Academy by Sandhya, myself Sandhya. And today's exercise is from chapter 4, Quadratic Equations, exercise 4.1. In this, we finished concept and examples of the quadratic equations. Okay, now exercise 4.1. Let's see first question. Check whether the following are quadratic equations. So, in first one, first question. Okay. See, check the first question is what? From what? First question. X plus 1 whole square equal to 2 into x minus 3. Okay. We have to express this is quadratic equation or not. LHS. LHS equal to what? Solution. LHS equal to x plus 1 whole square. This is like a plus b whole square. Na? What is the formula of a plus b whole square? A plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Yes? Write down. X square plus 1 square means 1 plus 2x. 2ab means 2 into a 1 into x, 2x. From LHS equal to RHS, na? Write down x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to what is the RHS? 2 into x minus 3. Yes? That implies x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 2x minus 6. That implies x square plus 2x. You take 2x this side, minus 2x plus 1 minus 6 comes to plus 6 equal to 0. X square minus 2x plus 2x cancel, plus 6 equal to 0. Yes, this is what? This is in the form of what? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Yes, na? Ax square means 1 into x square. Bx means 0 into x. That is that variable quotient is 0. So that total comes to 0. Constant is 6. This is in the form of. So therefore, given equation is quadratic equation. Okay. Here what is mentioned? Check whether the following are quadratic equations or not. This is quadratic equation. Let's see second one. What is the second question? X square minus 2x equal to minus 2 into 3 minus x. Yes? Let's take. That implies x square minus 2x equal to, you multiply, minus 6, minus into minus plus 2x. Okay? That implies x square minus 2x, you take this side, plus 6 minus 2x equal to 0. That implies x square minus 4x minus 2x means minus 4x plus 6 equal to 0. Therefore, this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and moreover a not equal to 0. Yes? Therefore, given equation is quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Yes. Let's see next question. X minus 2 into x plus 1 equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. Yes. See, what is the question? See, from question number 1, third question. Yes, third question. Now, what is the third question? X minus 2 into x plus 1 equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. Okay. Solution. Take LHS equal to x minus 2 into x plus 1. Okay. X into x, x square. X into 1 plus x. Minus 2x minus 2. Why means x into x, x square. X into 1, x. Minus 2 into x, minus 2x. Minus 2 into plus 1, minus 2. Okay. X square minus x minus 2. Take RHS. What is the RHS? X minus 1 into x plus 3. Okay. Again, x square, x into 3, 3x, minus 1 into x minus x, minus 3. So that implies x square plus 2x minus 3. Both are equal, na? So x square plus x minus x. Yes, now this is minus x minus 2 equal to x square plus 2x minus 3. Here x square. Both are same, na? Take both are same means you get cancel. Minus x, you take one side. Minus 2, you take plus 3. Equal to 0. So, minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Is this in the form of ax square plus bx plus c? No. So, therefore, this is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and one more is a not equal to. This is not in the form of that. So, equation is not quadratic equation. Not a quadratic equation. Okay, this is not a quadratic equation. Next, all are same, like x minus 3 I have to multiply like this, LHS equal to RHS, write down like that, you get the one equation. Let's take last one. I will explain you this one. After simplifying, is it in the form of ax square plus bx plus c? If you check that one, that is in the form of that, okay, that is quadratic equation. If that is not in the form of x square plus bx plus c means that is not a quadratic equation. Okay, let's take, you try it. We finished 3, na? Third one also. You try 4th, 5th, 6th one, you try it, 7th one. X plus 2 whole cube equal to 2x into x square minus 1. Okay. This is in the form of what? LHS equal to a plus b whole cube. What is the formula of a plus b whole cube? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, this is in the form of that. So write down x cube, 2 cube means 8 plus 3a square b. A square means x square into 2 plus 3 into a, b square means 2 square. So x cube plus 8 plus 6x square plus 4 na 4 3 is 12. 12x. Write down next RHS equal to 2x into x square minus 1. 2x cube minus 2x. Let's take both are equal. X cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8 equal to 2x cube minus 2x. So finally you get the you take 2x cube this side, x cube minus 2x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 2x plus 8 equal to 0. So that implies finally minus x cube plus 6x square plus 14x. Why 14x? 12x plus 2x, 14x na? Plus 8 equal to 0. This is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. And here we have x cube, degree of polynomial 3. So this is not in the form of what? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and moreover a not equal to 0. Therefore this equation is not a quadratic equation. Okay, got it? And next one is, you try it. Here na a plus b whole cube. In 8th question see, x minus 2 whole cube means a minus b whole cube. Okay. And in second question, how many total are? 4 questions. Okay. Let's take one by one. Read the question in second question, first one. Let's read it. What is the question? See, represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equation. So those are given equation we have to represent in quadratic equation form. In quadratic equation form means the area of rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot is 1 more than 5 its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. Here we only have to do in the form of quadratic equation. No need to solve the what is the length and what is the breadth. Here we have to write the in quadratic form. So in second question, first one. Okay, let the area of rectangular plot is 528. Okay. The length of the plot is 1 more than 5 its breadth. So here we take breadth. First we take breadth. Let the breadth of rectangular. The breadth of rectangular equal to x. Okay, na? Here meters na. So x meters. The length of the plot is 1 more than 5 its breadth. So Length equal to what? Given length equal to length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. Twice its breadth means breadth is x. Twice means 2x. 1 more. More means plus 1. This is the length. Okay. And the area of the rectangular. What is the area of rectangular? Area of rectangular. Area of rectangular equal to what? Length into breadth, na? So here given what? Area of rectangular equal to 528. So given x into length is x, length is 2x plus 1, breadth is 8. So 2x plus 1 equal to 528. Okay. X into 2x square plus x equal to 528. And one more, 2x square plus x minus 528 equal to 0. This is in the form of quadratic equation. Na? So this is the equation to, this is the quadratic equation. You can get the length and breadth. Okay. Finally write down. By using this quadratic equation, we can find the length and breadth. Okay. By using this equation, directly write down. By using 2x square plus x minus 528 equal to 0, we can find breadth and then length. Next, see the next question. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. Actually, what are the integers? Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the integers. These are negative integers. These are the positive integers. Okay. Here one condition is the consecutive positive integers. Positive integers means from here 0, 1, 2, 3. And one more is consecutive. Consecutive means 1 by 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. If for example 1, 2, 3 are called consecutive. Otherwise 2, 3. The number next to the number, those two are called consecutive. Here 1, 2 is the consecutive numbers. Otherwise 2, 3. Otherwise 3, 4. 4, 5. One number next to the number, those two are called consecutive positive integers. So we don't know what is the numbers. Let's take. Let the consecutive positive integers are x, x plus 1. The next one is compulsory. Plus 1. 1, 2 means 1. If you add 1 to the 1, you get the 2. Yes, no? 1, 2 means if you add 1 plus 1, you get the 2. For example, 2, 3 means if you add the 2 plus 1, you get the 3. No? So, x, x plus 1. Next number is compulsory plus 1. The product of consecutive integers is 306. Okay. Given x into x plus 1 equal to 306. Okay, x into x, x square plus x equal to 306. X square plus x minus 306 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. So, by using this quadratic equation, we find the consecutive answer. This is quadratic equation. Equation to find integers. Here we need to find the only quadratic equation. No need of the finding integers. Okay. Next one is Rohan's mother is 20 years older than him. Let's take Rohan's mother is 20 years older than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. What would you like to Rohan's present age? Okay, whose age? Rohan's. This is the question number 3. Rohan's present age. Rohan's present age. Rohan's present age is x. Here we are taking x years. Rohan's present age is x years means Rohan's mother is 20 years older than him. Means what do you get? Her mother's age is, Rohan's mother age is, now Rohan's mother age at present. What? At present age of Rohan is x. Rohan's mother is 20 years old means x plus 26 na? Now present age of Rohan is x. 26 years older is his mother. So it will come x plus 26. The product of their ages 3 years from now. 3 years from now. 3 years from now means 3 years from now means Rohan's age equal to x plus 3 na? From now, 3 years from now. Present age is x. 3 years from now means x plus 3. Rohan's mother age. Rohan's mother age is x plus 26 plus 3 na? From now 3 years. So equal to x plus 29. Plus 29. The product of their ages. After 3 years, the product of their ages is 360. 360 na? So let's take here. The condition is from now 3 years, product x plus 3 into x plus 29 equal to 360. The product of their ages from 3 years is 360. So x into x square, x into 29x, 29x plus 3x plus 3 9s are 27. 3 2s are 6. 6 into 2, 87 equal to 360. So x square plus 32x plus 87 minus 360 equal to 0. Means x square plus 32x. Subtract. You get the 300. 280 means 2 73 equal to 0. You can get this one. Okay, this is the quadratic equation. By using this quadratic equation, we can find the radar. This is quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means we can find the present age of Rohan and present age of Rohan's mother. A train travels a distance of 480 kilometers. Here we no need to find the ages and something. They're mentioned. You represent only in equation form. No need to find. A train travels a distance of 480 kilometers. So, for example, this is the 480 kilometers. Okay. A uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 kilometers per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. Okay. We need to find the speed of the train. For example, this is from A to B position. This is the 480 kilometers. Train is moving from A to B with a speed of it can traverse a distance of train. The speed of the the speed of train equal to x meter per second. Okay. Here kilometer na, sorry. Speed is here take kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. Okay. So the train travel distance we know 480 kilometers with a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 kilometer per hour less, it would have taken 3 hours more. For example, a train is with uniform speed from A to B it's moving. It has taken, for example, 4 hours. For example, it is moving with some 4 kilometers per hour. It would be late. For example, it's moving 2 kilometers per hour late means it will take more time na. It will go by 6 hours or 7 hours. We are assuming one train is moving from A to B, same distance. The speed is 4 means it's reached by 4 hours. But it will take 2 kilometers per hour means it's moving slowly. Slowly means it will take more time. More time means it's take 6 or 7 hours. Here mentioned, see, the speed had been 8 kilometers per hour less. Less means it's moving, for example, first time it's moving 18 kilometers per hour means 8 kilometers per hour less means next time the train is going 10 kilometers per hour na. So here mentioned 8 kilometers less and that time it has taken 3 hours more. The same distance. We need to find the train. The speed of the train is x kilometer per hour. The distance covered by train uniform speed equal to what? 480 kilometers. In physical, from physical science, time equal to distance by speed. This is the formula. Distance by speed. First time, let's take T1 be the first time train traveled. So train travel means at that time T1 time. Distance is what? Same distance, no? 480 by what is the speed? We are taking x. Okay. Next time, what is the? Second time, let T2 be the second time. Train traveled. Okay, second time train traveled. Same way, second time train traveled. T2 equal to what? How much distance? 480. Same distance. But here mention what? The speed is 8 km per hour less. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, actually we are taking x. But second time taken is that time 8 km per hour less, means x minus 8. And given second time it has taken 3 hours more. 3 hours more means, for example, from A to B, first person traveled same distance with a speed, for example, 3 km per hour. It took 3 hours. For example, second person, the speed is 1 km per hour, means it will take 5 hours. So the time difference is the what? 5 minus 3, na? Here also same. Given 5 minus 3 means here mentioned 3 hours more taken. 3 hours more taken means T2 minus T1 equal to 3, na? The time taken to the second time, the time taken to the first time, the difference is the, it will take the, how much time it will take. T2 minus T1 equal to 3. So 480 by x minus 8 minus T1 is 480 by x equal to 3. Let's take 480 into x, LCM, na? Minus x minus 8 into 480 by x into x minus 8 equal to 3. Okay. 480 x minus 4 minus of 480 x minus into minus plus 8 into 480 equal to 3 into, you take this one, that's it, x square minus 8x. Okay, x into x square, x into minus 8 means minus 8x. These two are cancelled. So we get multiply here 0, 8 8 is 64, 6, 32, 32, 6 means 38. Equal 3x square minus 24x. 3x square minus 24x plus not. You take this one is, that's it, minus 3840 equal to 0. This is in the form of quadratic equation, right? This is in the form of quadratic equation. By using the above quadratic equation, we can find the speed of the train. Okay, here we no need to find the x value, write down the equation form only. Okay, this is the question. Okay, we finished exercise 4.1. okay, have you got it? Why, if you know the question, and briefly read the question first of all. If you read briefly question and convert into the equation form, that is the quadratic. If you convert in quadratic equation, you get the solutions. Okay, exercise 4.1 is finished. In the next sessions, we solve the solution of quadratic equation. Up to this, we solve the in quadratic equation form. In next sessions, we solve that quadratic equation to solutions. So, solutions and examples. And next, exercise 4.2. Okay, in next sessions, we solve the exercise 4.2 and some theory of the solutions of quadratic equations. Okay, if you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.